Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to apply discounts in Odoo 19 sales module. Before going to the configuration, let's quickly understand what a discount means. A discount is the reduction in the original price of a product. For example, if a product price is Rs.1000 and provided a discount of 10%, the customer only needs to pay 900 rupees. This helps businesses attract more customers and increase sales. Now let's move to the configuration. Go to the Sales module. Click on Configuration part, then select Settings. Scroll to Pricing section and enable Discounts. Then click on Save button. Now, we enabled Discount feature. Once we enable this option, Odoo will allow us to add discount percentage for each product line in the sale order. Now, let's create a sale order and apply a discount. Go to the Sales module and click on Orders. Then click on Quotations and click on New button. Now, select a customer. Here I am selecting John Retail Store. Now, add products. Here I am adding apple pie as my first product, then blueberry muffin as my second product. Then save. Here, I'm having a discount percentage section. Here I am providing apple pie for discount 10%. For blueberry, I'm providing 2%. So this is the first method for providing discount for a sale order. In this method, we can directly add discount on each product line under Discount section. I will show you second method. For second method, I'm clicking Discount button. In Discount button, we will be having three types of discount methods. One is on order lines, global discount, fixed amount. Initially, I'm providing on all order lines. Let's see what will happen when providing value on here. Here, I'm providing 2% and clicking on Apply. Now, we can see the discount percentage has been changed to 2%. Now, I'm going to select Next method from the Discount button. Click on Discount button and select Global Discount and provide a certain discount percentage. Then Apply. Now, I got another order line named as Discount with a 3% discount, then a negative value on here. This is the third way we can provide discount for a sale order. Let's see Next method. Click on the Discount button, then click on Fixed Amount and provide a certain amount on here. Then Apply. Here also, we got another order line named as Discount and provided a unit price of -100 and amount as -100. This is the another method we can provide discount for a sale order. So in this video, we examined in which all methods we can apply discount in Odoo 9 in sales. Thank you for watching this video.